Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video, we will be looking at how to view your customers and edit their information. So now customers and loyalties is a feature that is dedicated to your customers, and in this particular video, we will be looking at your customer profiling, that is viewing your customer details and making changes to the details if possible. Now to do that, you first have to go to the main menu. Okay, when you go to the main menu, then you scroll down, you locate customers and loyalty, you click on that. Now under customers and loyalty, there's my customers, there's add new customer, and then there's customers in debt. So you can click on any of them. When you click on my customers, it brings you to this page. Okay, so you notice the first thing to the top left corner that you see is the number of customers that you have. Okay, so then the number is displayed over here for you. And then down, when you scroll down, you see a table, okay, that contains the information of all your customers. Okay, so all your customers are displayed, okay, in a table format. So you're able to see the name, okay, of the customer loyalty will come to the customer loyalty ID in subsequent videos. So do well to check out those videos. And then we have the WhatsApp column. Okay, so this is where you input the customer's WhatsApp details, and then there's a birthday a date, and then there's the location as well. Okay, so this is how you view your customer details. Okay, you can search for a particular customer. Okay, so you just click inside, you type the name of the customer, and then the results are displayed for you. Okay, so this is how you view your customers. Okay, so let's go back. Now, if we want to make changes to their information, so an example, let me see if we can get an example. But let's just say for this particular customer, we want to make changes to their phone number. Okay, so you come to actions, the actions column, you click on actions, and then you click on edit information. When you click on edit information, this is what appears. Okay, so the details that you already have about the customer. So let's say we don't have the WhatsApp number of the client, so we want to include that as well. So when we come here, okay, so now we have our client's WhatsApp number, and then let's just say we want to include our client's email as well. Okay, so that is out of their way. Okay, so you can add an occupation. Let's say our client is a doctor, a medical doctor. Let me be specific. Medical doctor, and let's say our client is is Legon in Accra. Okay, so once we are done, we just click on save changes, and voila, it tells us our changes have been saved. So we click on OK, and then when you scroll up, there's a button for back to customer list. So you just click inside that, and then it takes us back to our customer list. And then okay, we are able to see all the changes that we made for this particular client. Okay, the location that we added the client's WhatsApp number as well. Okay, so this is how you view your customer details, and then you edit information concerning your customers. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. There is more where this came from, so do well to check out all our videos. So I'll see you again in our next video. So have a nice time and bye bye.